Help! Tell me what to write. I'm too lazy to create anything on my own. Good morning, afternoon, evening. I'm Aaron Whipple, author of The Culling Conspiracy, a military espionage sci-fi with LGBT characters, magic, and it's where a group of current and former Marines in an alternate universe, uncovers a plot to reduce humanity by the billions. So if you like military sci-fi, thriller, fantasy, check out The Culling Conspiracy. It's available for pre-order on Amazon Kindle right now. Stay tuned to the end. I'm going to tell you how to get your free copy of the first chapter of The Culling Conspiracy. I tried doing a sneak peek on TikTok before. It was shit. So let's do it this way. I've been seeing a few potential writers and wannabe writers going around on social media, Reddit, Facebook, what have you, asking other people what they themselves should write about. Frankly, that kind of shit turns my stomach. Now, before you do go up in arms, be like, bah, you're just being a dick. Hold on, take a deep breath, listen. I've got a few ideas to help you zero in on what you should be creating yourself. The first thing I got to say is ponder your plot. All right, brainstorm what you want to have happen in your story and then outline it from there. Don't be afraid to go into the weeds with it. It's your story. Work out even the most minute of details so that you know where you want to structure and build your story, where the direction is that you want to go with it. Take the time to think. Vincent van Gogh was quoted with saying, I dream about my painting and then I paint my dream. So please, for the love of the gods, think. It's not illegal yet. Like I said, start hashing out your outline. If you're stuck between two possible story plots, see which outline you put more time and energy into, which one is easier to build. That's probably the one that you should go with. The second thing to consider, what's your message? What is it that you're trying to get out? What is it that you're trying to tell the rest of the world? Is there a specific moral to it? Is there some kind of information, some kind of truth that you're trying to get out there, that you're trying to get other people to think about? Is there a cause that you want people to be aware of? All right, having a message or a cause gives you passion for what you're creating, what you're writing, and can make it easier. Let that be a central focus of your writing. That long pause you just saw is exactly why I script these out, so that I know where my head and where my video needs to be going and whatnot, kind of like the outline. So if you've got a love or a cause or an idea, fucking write about it. A cause or info can be spread in fiction. Do you have a specific set of knowledge, skills, abilities, and experience? Fucking use it. All right, who's better to write about something compelling than a subject matter expert? If you're not an expert, you have experience, do the research. If you don't have experience, do the research, learn about it, then write the book. There's hundreds of authors that have done the research on something that they have absolutely no prior idea about. They do the research, and then they're able to turn that around and fictionalize it for their own novels. So the point being, you got KSAs and experience, don't have much experience with it, or you want to get a full aspect about it, have develop your KSAs and experience, do your research, and then write the damn book. So my final point or idea with figuring out where it is that you need to go with your writing, what it is that you should write about, what you're passionate about, read. It goes along with think. It's not illegal yet. This isn't Fahrenheit 451, so pick a fucking book. Decide what direction you want to go after reading something if you need some inspiration. It's even better if that book that you're going to be reading to get said inspiration is in a genre of the genres that you're writing in. It makes it a lot easier. Take caution though. This isn't me giving you permission to plagiarize any author or whatnot. So don't ever plagiarize. Don't take from this author, change some names and some words and whatnot, because guess what? That's still plagiarism. It's a dick move. Don't do it. Alright, you made it to the end of the video. Congratulations for you. I'm going to leave the link below in the description. Subscribe to newsletter at the Culling Conspiracy website to get the free chapter 1 of the Culling Conspiracy. It also gives you a newsletter, a notice of new videos about writing, tips, military fiction, and of course the Culling Conspiracy. I appreciate you guys for watching, checking it out, and I'll see you guys around in the next video.